Walls act as the canvas for your artistic vision of the room. To make it easier for you to paint and ensure the colours appear as you expected them to, it's important to adequately prepare interior walls before painting. The essential items you'll need are soap solution using detergent and water, pre-mixed filler, sandpaper at 180 or 240 grade, and masking tape. How long this task takes is dependent on the amount of flaws the wall has. Here's the steps you'll need to follow. Start with removing any fixtures, such as picture hooks and light switch covers. Then wash walls with a soap solution, small amount of detergent and water to get rid of any dust. Rinse the walls to remove any traces of soap and allow to dry. This means the paint will adhere to the wall, not the dust. Assess the walls for any damage or surface lumps and bumps. If you see any mould, use a bleach solution to get rid of it. Let the walls soak for 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly, and again allow them to dry completely. Apply masking tape to fittings and edges which can't be removed or may be fiddly and difficult to paint around, such as skirting boards and fixed shelving. If any peeling or flaking areas, scrape them back and remove the loose paint. Then gently sand the surface so no edges of the old paint are obvious. Use fillers for any dents or nail holes in the walls. And use acrylic gap sealant for cracks or gaps in areas where you're going to get movement. Once set, sand the fillers down. For a really effective finish, apply a coat of Taubmans Easy Coat or 3-in-1 Sealer Primer Undercoat to all prepped walls. This allows for good adhesion and blocks out dark or existing colours, making it easier to paint over and providing a smoother, more professional looking top coat. There are more videos on the Taubmans website or YouTube channel to guide you through every painting job, from exterior walls to ceilings. Now let's go paint!